guys, first off, you open your CapCut app, tap on the new project, and then swipe left to photos and go ahead to add as many photos as you want. You can add up to 15, 20, 25. I chose to add 14, and when I was done, I just tapped on the add button below. So I just go ahead to preview it to just check out the pictures that I have chosen to work with. And yeah, I'm good. I'm just going to go back to the beginning, tap on audio, add audio, tap on sound, and then I'll go ahead to pick the sound that I want. If you have a sound on your phone that you want to use, just tap on that file icon from device and then go ahead to add it. But if not, you can just choose from the sounds that I have on the app. So you can preview these by listening to it to know what you want. That this audio has the beat that I want, so I'm just going to listen to it a little, like just listen to it to know where the beat starts from. So when I get where the beat starts from, I'm just going to stop, highlight the audio, tap on match cut rather, and then go back to listen to it so that I get the exact point where I start adding beats. Okay, so when I get to the point, I start to tap on the add beat. You see that dot? Yes, that's the beat adding. So on every doom sound that it makes, I'm adding beats. Just keep on tapping on it until you're done. If you have up to 15 pictures, make sure to do up to 15 sounds. Do you get? When you're done with that, you're just going to highlight the picture and drag it to the first point. You see the yellow point there? That's the first beat. So just drag that first picture to that point, and then that's where the beat starts from. So on the second beat, highlight the picture again and then drag it to the second beat. Then do for the third, the fourth, until you're done with the whole picture. So I have 14 pictures, so I'll go ahead to just do for the 14 of them. 0.6 seconds for each of the beats. So I'm just going to drag the picture to that part, and yeah. So guys, when you're done, you can just highlight the audio, split and delete, just because you don't need the rest of it. So we're just going to watch to see what we made. So that is it. You see that for every beat a picture was showing. So now I'm going to show you how to add effects to it. So just highlight your picture, tap on the animation, tap on combo, and then apply any effect that you want. You can go ahead to preview them and see what you want to work with. So I did mine for a couple of minutes. I just check, and then I was okay with the first one. I then went ahead to the second, and the same process: animation, combo, and then apply any effect that you want. You can just continue to add the effect, move to the next picture, do the same, and then you're going to do the same for the remaining 13 pictures. Before we continue, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Please tap on the subscribe button and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoy videos like this so that I can come up with more for you. We're just going to check the final outcome of what we made. Let's go, guys. So guys, that was the final outcome of our video. It was super easy and it didn't take much time. So go ahead to create your own video and enjoy the TikTok application. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you next time. I was there